Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync a new Quest 2 controller. First, make sure your Quest 2 headset is powered on and ready. Next, gently slide off the battery cover on your new controller. Insert a fresh AA battery, ensuring it's oriented correctly. This initial step prepares your controller for the pairing process, making it discoverable by your headset. We'll get it connected in no time. Now, put on your Quest 2 headset. From your home environment, look for the universal menu bar at the bottom. Click on the clock to open Quick Settings. Within Quick Settings, you'll see a gear icon for the main settings menu. Select this to proceed. This path leads you directly to the device settings where controller pairing options are located, ensuring a smooth connection. Once in the main settings menu, find and select the devices option. From there, choose controllers to manage your input devices. You'll then see an option to pair new controller. Select this, and your headset will begin searching. Pick the controller you're holding from the list that appears. A successful connection will be confirmed shortly, getting you back into your virtual worlds. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your Quest 2 headset and the controller. Sometimes, a simple reboot resolves minor glitches. Always check the battery. A low battery can prevent pairing. Also, ensure there are no strong wireless interferences nearby. If problems persist, contacting support is a good next step. Enjoy your newly synced controller.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.